In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use skip logic in Google Forms, also known as section branching. This powerful feature allows you to create a more personalized survey experience, guiding respondents through different sections based on their previous answers. If you're ready to get started, just follow along. First things first, head over to Google Drive. Once you're there, look at the top left corner of your screen and click on New. From the drop-down menu, go ahead and select Google Forms. Now we want to start with a fresh form, so choose blank form from the options presented. Now that you have a blank form open, the first thing you should do is give it a name, something that reflects the purpose of your survey. After naming your form, click on the space to add your first question. Let's start with something simple like full name. Ensure the response type is set to short answer. This is appropriate for single word or brief responses, like names. You'll want this question to be mandatory, so be sure to click on the required toggle to turn it on. Next, add another question by clicking Add Question, type in your query, and this time select multiple choice for the response type. You can now provide various options for respondents to select from. Again, mark this question as required to ensure it doesn't get skipped by the respondents. Now here's where the magic of skip logic comes in. We need to break this form into sections. Click on Add Sections to introduce a new segment to your form. This will allow you to guide respondents to a subsequent section based on their answers. In this new section, add a question and choose multiple choice again as its response type. You can give several options or questions within this section based on your needs. Feel free to add more sections and questions as you see fit. To implement the skip logic feature, we need to go back to the first question in the form that leads to branching. Click on the Go to section based on answer option that appears in the question settings. This will allow you to configure which section respondents are directed to next based on their specific response. For instance, if a user selects option A, you might direct them to section 2, while option B may take them to section 3. After setting up your sections and skip paths, configure your pages to ensure everything flows correctly. This is the time to check over your branching logic and ensure that users aren't led to any dead ends or circles. Once your configurations are complete, you're ready to launch the form. Click Publish to make the form live. To see everything in action, hit Preview. This will simulate the respondent experience and allow you to make any necessary tweaks before sending it out into the world. And there you have it. You've successfully created a form using section branching in Google Forms, elevating it from a simple survey to an interactive experience tailored to your needs.